wanted to really bring a fresh, different approach to creating a tropical decor in a resort. So what we've done here is really focus on a palette which is much more focused on pastel. So we're talking about coral, so blush pinks, the sand colors. Choose a different set of colors that really kind of heighten your senses, that makes you feel really good, but at the same time as well, it really highlights or points you at different things in the landscape. And so we've been looking at how we can play with sand. It's been really a long process of us working with local craftsmen, artisans, literally using sand to make furniture. Table out of sand where we actually play with different textures of the sands. So yeah, a very different take in creating a tropical environment. Different components of a context to really bring then the spirit of a place back into the spaces.